More than just taking care of your home, the habit of order and organization in your house shows how you deal with life and tells a lot about your thoughts and mind. Did you know that? Although simple and small, there is no happiness like seeing your kitchen sink all clean and shining. Don't you think so? So in today's video, you will learn how to make a soap that cleans your dishes and makes them shine. Isn't it amazing? It is a cheap, efficient DIY recipe that takes common ingredients like castor oil. Baking soda helps remove the hard residues, while sugar exfoliates the dishes. Lastly, castor oil makes everything super shiny. This dish soap is very efficient. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients. 1 soap bar, coconut or neutral. 1 tablespoon leavened refined sugar. 67 ounces water. 1 tablespoon baking soda. 2 tablespoons castor oil. How to make it? Grate the soap bar and melt it over a double boiler. Once the soap is completely dissolved, remove it from heat. Then add sugar and baking soda. Mix well. Wait until cold. Then add the castor oil. Now transfer your soap to a container with a lid. Use it as regular dish soap. See how practical it is? The advantage of using a homemade product is that it lasts a lot longer compared to the industrialized products of supermarkets. Besides, they are super cheap and efficient. Try it and see how easy it is to make your dishes look sparkling new. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.